Have to hand wash, whether they are lovely stemless glasses that you have, whether they are very expensive wine glasses or champagne flutes or certain, dishes that you have. Do you lay them down on a tea towel? Do you lay them on paper towels? Well, we've got a better idea, and they're called drying mats. And Tara created a set of two. These are microfiber kitchen drying mats. These are the only ones that she has. She introduced this set on Cook Day, and we have everything that remains this morning. So good thing you are shopping with us, because if they sell out now, they are not coming back till fall of this year. 5 easy pays will help. That'll go away at the end of the day. They're under $20. There is a large one. The large one is 24 by 18. They are articulated so that you could very easily store them away under the sink or wherever it is that you have a little bit of room. The smaller one will be 18 by 16. That one is also articulated. So here's confetti for you. There's your confetti. Down here we have a beautiful taupe. We have our gray, we have red, we have black, we have green, we have blue, and then we have patriotic. Oh, how fun is that, patriotic? You may even want to buy more than one. And you can see the ingenious team and Tara also have used these under your Keurig, which is nice because I have spilled sometimes with my Keurig or overfilled it. Or did you ever, it's a bad day when you press the button twice and then the coffee cup, goes over, or your KitchenAid. All right, so talk to me about what you wanted to do with your drying mats.
Yeah, so as I said earlier, we're constantly listening to all of the viewers and what they want in their kitchen. For me, I am obsessed with drying mats. And so I set out to create, it's true, because a lot of times, actually, I just did a kind of a formal dinner with my husband, and we got out the crystal and we did the whole thing to kind of make it special, but all of that has to be hand washed. So while I'm loading the dishwasher, I can wash all of the crystal. I can let it sit on this nice cushy, and you can show the profile. It's nice and cushioned.
See that?
It's going to stay put when it's on your countertop.
Yes.
So all of your crystal, your fine china, the things that you want to hand wash, your cookware, right? A lot of times your cookware absolutely should not go in the dishwasher. So hand washing it, when you hand wash, you then have to hand dry. So it's nice to be able to put it on this mat, two huge sizes, right? You have that great 24 by 18. And of course you have that 18 by 16. They have that score, so they're meant to be folded. They're meant to slide right in your drawer. I actually keep mine like this under my sink. And every time I grab them, I have that beautiful pattern. I have that microfiber, that super absorbent piece. And we have never, ever done drying mats before. We just debuted them, as we said, a couple of weeks ago. And these are the final quantities that we're able to get back into until the fall. And I love all the colors that we did them in. They're just gorgeous.
Well, Tara, we love them too. 800 of you have already dialed in for these. Remember, again, you are getting both for that price tag. It's a wonderful way to jump into Temp-tations because everyone needs a drying mat. I remember years ago you used to have a drying rack, but those were always kind of unsightly, and then you couldn't store them when you're not using. The water collected in them. I used to hate the drying rack. And what do you use if you don't have drying mats? You end up using paper towels or tea towels or something. So this is the answer. All right, this debuted a week ago. We brought in 9,000 a week ago, 3,000 remain. So let's work on the colors together. Here's the confetti, 400 remaining in confetti. Here is the taupe, the newest color, 300 remaining. Here is the gray for you. Here's the red, last call on the red. Here's the beautiful black, last call on the black. There's the green, 200 remain there. The blue, 300 remain, and then that fun patriotic, because I would imagine out, when you're having a picnic and and hopefully, by the grace of God, hopefully this summer, we'll be able to at least have outdoor dining and maybe social distancing, with family and friends, even if you just do it for yourself. Last call on patriotic. So keep that in mind. Fun. It's K51221. It's what your collection is about, Tara. It's beautiful, it's functional, And it
Right.
adds and creates memories, because you were talking about that wonderful romantic special dinner that the two of you had. So here's an
Right.
opportunity to break out that nice china and, you know, the champagne glasses for Valentine's Day, and be able to go ahead and, you know, find that volunteer to wash the dishes by hand and have an opportunity to be able to dry them properly without worrying that they're going to fall over, because this is microfiber, so it has cushion to it. So you'll feel
Super
secure.
absorbent. Right.
And
Super
then-
absorbent, has that cushion
Yeah.
detail. They're scored. And you can even see the pattern, Pat. There's a pattern behind the pattern,
It's
actually.
like a PK. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So again, these are so beautiful. I was reading some of the reviews. They're bigger than they thought when they got them home. And they love that they can tuck them under pieces like your KitchenAid stand mixer, like your Keurig. And it just honestly protects your countertops, and it also protects for spills as well. So don't just think of them as necessarily a drying mat.
Okay, I like it.
I love
K51221. All right. So Tara has a series